First question is A, B, C, D and E are the vertices of a rectangular pentagon as shown in the figure. So we have to find the angle ABC. So four options are given: 48, 72, 54 and 36 degree. So this angle we need to find. So from a property of regular pentagon, these angles, all angles will be same. So let us consider these all angles are x. So we have to find the value of x. So now we use one property. So this is a triangle and these are interior angles and these are exterior angle. And this exterior angle, if this is angle, this is C, angle A, B and A. So therefore a property says that angle C equal to angle A plus angle B. So that is the interior angle equal to the sum of the exterior angles. So this sum of these two angles which are interior is equal to the exterior angle. We will solve this problem using this property. So first we will find this angle. So to make this exterior angle, we have to take, if we name this O, then we have to take triangle OAE. So we have to take this angle, triangle, and this as exterior. So therefore this will be like this, this will be like this, x, and this we have to find. So as this property, this will be the sum of the interior angle. So this will be 2x. So therefore this is 2x. Similarly, if we find this angle, so we have to take this as, let us take O dash. So therefore we have to take triangle O dash CD, and this as exterior angle, that is it look like this. So this is x, and we have to find this. So this will be also 2x by this property, sum of this interior angle. So this is also 2x. So therefore now we get the triangle BOO dash. So BOO dash. Okay? So now we get this triangle and we know that sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Okay? So now we use this property in this triangle BOO dash or O dash B. So from this the sum of this angle will be x plus 2x, that is 5x, which is equal to 180 degree. Okay? So 5x equal to 180 degree. So that's why x equal to 180 by 5, that will be 36 degree. So therefore this angle will be 36 degree. Option D is correct answer. So if you like it, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. I'll discuss more problem from general aptitude of CSIR net exam, basically from mathematical sciences. Thank you. Keep learning, keep watching.